Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making South Asian style beef stew. It is also known as khade masale ka gosht because it's made with whole spices. I have here 550 grams of boneless beef, 1/3 cup of oil, half a cup yogurt, half a teaspoon salt or to taste, 2 tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 inch piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds which have been coarsely ground, 3 bay leaves, 2 black cardamoms, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 to 2 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon whole black peppers, 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 3 whole red chili peppers, I'm taking the small round ones, and 3 green cardamoms. Besides these, we will need 1 cup of water and some fresh green coriander for garnish. We will start by chopping the tomatoes, slicing the onions and garlic, and chopping ginger into small pieces. Place the pot on medium-high heat and add the oil, and when the oil is hot enough, add the onions. We don't want to brown the onions, we just cook them until they are softened. It has taken 3 minutes and the onions are soft enough. And now we will add all the whole spices. The red chilies, I'm using 3 small round chilies. You can use more or less if you wish. And at this time, we will also add the meat. Mix the meat with the rest of the ingredients and then add the chopped ginger and the sliced garlic. And then add the chopped tomatoes, salt according to your taste, and the yogurt. Stir the yogurt before adding, otherwise it will curdle while cooking. Mix all the ingredients together and let them cook on medium-high heat. As the meat is cooking, it will release its moisture and so will the onions, tomatoes and yogurt. So at this time, I'm not going to add any water. Cover the pot and let it cook for about half an hour. While it was cooking, I did stir it periodically so it doesn't stick to the bottom. After about half an hour, a lot of the moisture has evaporated, but the meat is not done yet. So I added 1 cup of water and then let it cook again. I covered the pot and let it cook for another half an hour. And after half an hour, the meat is perfectly done. Most of the liquid has cooked out. So at this time, we are going to let it simmer until all of the moisture is gone and it has released some of its oil. It has taken 5 more minutes for the meat to cook to perfection and now it is ready to be served. Before serving, add some chopped fresh coriander and some chopped ginger. You can serve this dish with roti, naan or paratha. Do try to make this recipe. I'm sure you're going to like it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. And by pressing the bell icon, you will get notifications for my upcoming videos. Enjoy!